Hi everyone, welcome to RC Model Mark. Let's see what we've got in store today. Hi everyone, Modeler Mark 2 here. Doing some unboxing videos, got a few things coming. So do a little series of videos as everything arrives. Hopefully it's of use and everything's of interest, so let's get cracking. Okay, so today we've got this arrived in the post, looking exciting, sounding good, so let's see what we've got. Okay, so nice decent sized package today. Usual Chinese customs declaration on the back. Open it up. And here we have, big reveal, a nice looking set of Hex Drivers. So I've got the ALZRC Helicopter on its way. Getting all the parts for it, so I'll cover everything as I get to it. Okay, so let's have a look inside. There we are. So you can probably see that they're nicely not in order. Now they are actually. So I don't know if you can see that. We've got a 0.9, a 1.27. A 1.3, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and a 3mm Hex driver. Look okay, not bad quality, fairly hollow inside. I don't know if you can see that, that's hollow. Secured at the top here by an Allen head grub screw. And then going down to a nice fine little tip on this one. Quite nice. They're nice weight. Go up to the 3mm. You can see that's a bit more substantial. Nice textured grip on these. So yeah, really nice. I'll get the scales out and we'll do some weighing. 3mm, got 32 grams, going to the 0.9mm, coming in at 30 grams. Alright, so size wise, they're a 90mm handle with a 83mm shaft on the 0.9mm one. So yeah, 90 on the handle, they all seem to be consistent. And yeah, about 84mm on the 3mm one. And the handles are a diameter of 17.5mm. Main shaft's 2.3mm. So yeah, nice bit of kit, come from AliExpress. If you like the calipers, by the way, really love these, really nice to use. Very smooth action, all metal. So these are from Banggood. I'll put a link to this in the down below. This was only about £11 British money on offer from Banggood. And this set, as I say, from AliExpress. So these came from a store called Loki Store or Loki Store on AliExpress, L-O-K-K-I-E. The set itself was £10.36. It's £2.09 tax. Shipping was only 15p. So all in, it came to £12.61, which I think is quite nice because not many go down to the 0.1 and 1.27, which is only the 0.9 gets used on the X360. So I should have everything I need here for it, and for lots of other jobs. So all being well, they'll be nice and tough, and do the job. So not bad for £12.60, including shipping to the UK. Happy with that. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, there we go. That's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Put all the links in the bottom. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.